Riding a stationary exercise bike is an efficient and effective way to burn calories and body fat, while strengthening your heart, lungs, and muscles. Is a good choice for a cardio workout if you're just getting started with exercise. What muscles are used in indoor cycling? Indoor cycling is a total body workout and works all of the major muscle groups: core, upper body, back, glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings. Cycling helps to strengthen and loosen your hamstrings, which lift the pedal up with each cycle and stabilize your joints. Lower legs, you'll work your calves, which helps to protect your ankles and feet while cycling, and also in everyday activities. Benefits: cycling can help you build fitness while protecting your joints. Here are some of the benefits of stationary bike. 1. Aids weight loss. Stationary biking is a great way to burn calories. You can burn anywhere between 40 to 80 calories in just 10 minutes, depending on your body weight and exercise intensity. It is a great way to shed fat from your lower body, as it activates the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. 2. Boosts heart health. Stationary biking is a cardio exercise that ups your heart rate and allows your heart muscles to work harder to keep up with the oxygen demand. This, in turn, helps improve heart health. 3. Improves strength. In stationary bikes, you can adjust the resistance of the wheel. You'd need to pedal harder to get the wheel moving. This ultimately helps improve the strength of your legs and lower body. 4. Reduces diabetes risk. Diabetes is closely related to obesity. Hence, losing weight may help reduce the risk of diabetes. Stationary bikes are great calorie burners and can help you lose weight. 5. Improves joint mobility. Cycling helps improve the range of motion of your joints. It benefits the knees, ankles, and hip joints. When you pedal, all these joints rotate, improving their range of motion and strengthening them. 6. Boosts brain function. Several studies have confirmed that stationary biking helps improve cognitive function, memory, and attention. The good hormones released during the workout and the action of pedaling play a significant role. 7. Reduces stress. Any form of workout helps release feel-good hormones. As a result, you feel good at the end of the session. Stationary biking, too, helps you sweat and burn calories. This reduces stress levels and stimulates the release of serotonin. 8. Improves balance. Stationary biking also helps improve balance, coordination, and gait. It is especially useful for the elderly and people who are recovering from a chronic stroke. It also helps prevent falls and fractures in the elderly. 9. Increases endurance. Endurance or stamina is not built in a day. It takes time and practice. However, you can speed it up by adding stationary biking to your workout regimen. You will be able to finish any cardio or strength training with more ease and without losing your breath too quickly. 10. Low-impact exercise. Stationary biking is a low-impact exercise compared to other forms of cardio, like Zumba and running. It is easy on your joints and heart. You can sit on the saddle and pedal your way to better health. 11. Great for toning. Stationary biking is also great for toning your lower body. It acts on your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves. You will shed fat from the legs and build lean muscle mass. 12. Is very convenient. This may not really be a health benefit, but it does benefit your health. If biking to and fro, to work or school is not convenient for you, a stationary bike is a great option to keep yourself fit. Also, you can easily avoid heat, pollution, dust, rain, and all other outdoor factors that may prevent you from exercising. A study from 2018 found that indoor cycling and strength training were enough to have a positive effect on endurance and strength without changing dietary habits. It's still a good idea to follow a healthy diet that includes plenty of carbohydrates and protein. In a 2010 trusted source study, indoor cycling coupled with a low-calorie diet was found to promote weight loss and raise HDL cholesterol levels. One thing to keep in mind is that doing any new activity will feel challenging, so you may need to start with just a few minutes at a time and slowly work your way up to longer workouts. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.